Revolutionizing Indian homes, smart gadgets with a Desi twist. Picture this. Every evening, Ananya Tanwar, a 36-year-old data analyst, stands in her busy Indian home juggling dinner prep and entertaining her toddler. In the corner, an old air purifier hums away, forgotten in its struggle to keep up with the scorching summer heat. Her stove's timer is more of an optimistic suggestion than a reliable tool, and the fan struggles to fight the rising warmth. Her wish: "My home just knew what I needed to stay comfortable." Sounds familiar? This is a sentiment echoed across countless middle-class Indian households. Enter a fresh wave of startups: Karban Envirotech, Beyond Appliances, upliance.ai, Atomberg, and more, who aren't just building smart gadgets, they're tackling problems specific to Indian homes with clever tech and thoughtful design. India boasts over 142 smart appliance startups, which have collectively raised a staggering $36.1 million since 2021, reflecting a vibrant, growing scene. Walk into any modern urban Indian home, and you'll likely find an array of gadgets: fans, air purifiers, ACs, lights, all sporting their own remotes or apps. Take Karban's 3-in-1 Ultra appliance, a clever innovation that combines a fan, air purifier, and chandelier into a single, multifunctional device. Karan Bansal, the founder and CEO, explains how they saw a gap in the market and patented their solution, using advanced airflow tech borrowed from aerospace engineering, to optimize how air moves through their devices. Meanwhile, Bengaluru-based Beyond Appliances is cooking up solutions tailored to Indian kitchens. They're blending AI with everyday cooking, designing smart cooktops, hobs, and chimneys that account for the spicy, multi-generational dishes that define Indian cuisine. Their features, like timer controls and 3D suction, aren't just fancy add-ons. They're built to handle real Indian cooking habits. Same story with upliance.ai, which has created a smart cooking assistant loaded with 500+ recipes and 16 automated functions. From chopping ingredients to stirring a pot, and even serving a meal for four, all controlled via an intuitive touchscreen. The device's innovative Omni Blade acts as a spatula, blender, and sensor hub, ensuring precision in every step. What makes Indian home tech truly stand out? It's built here, from start to finish. These startups keep R&D, design, and manufacturing local. Karban produces everything in-house, Beyond makes at its own facilities, and upliance.ai partners with local manufacturers while holding on to core intellectual property. Growth is happening, albeit at a steady pace. For example, Karban has grown its customer base by 50% in a year, transitioning from handcrafted wood to mass-produced plastic, meaning bigger scale is on the horizon. Beyond Appliances sold about 1,500 units in March alone, aiming for a monthly run rate of 5,000 units and a revenue target of 100 Indian rupees crore by 2025. Meanwhile, upliance.ai already nets 30 to 40 Indian rupees crore annually, with most sales online, and is now testing offline experience centers in major cities. The challenge? Scaling up production and distribution outside metro cities remains tricky. Despite smart appliances making up nearly 10% of the $10 billion Indian market in 2023, up from 4% pre-COVID, there's still a long road ahead before these gadgets become household staples everywhere. But investor interest is growing fast. With government initiatives like Digital India and the Smart Cities mission, coupled with rising consumer enthusiasm for IoT solutions, from home security to energy management, these startups find themselves in a ripe environment for continued innovation and expansion.